what's up, too? What's up, too? Oh, hey, welcome back to T-Bone Activities. You know what I'm saying? We found us a little creek area. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna fish it for a while. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? I think we got him, too. I think we missed him, too. Hey, we got a bite on the intro. Too. But yeah. Let's see what happens, too. Let's see. That was the worm. That was a piece of worm that we was using right there. That's a piece of worm. We got worm, we got minnows. Okay? Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna throw it back out there. We'll be back. Welcome back to T-Bone Activities. Let's see what happens. Already. Much love, baby. Yeah, let's do this. Beautiful out here. It's a little chilly though. Like I said, it's a little chilly. The temperature probably rose up to maybe 45 or so, but it's nice. Already, that's where we at. Already. The truck is up there. I don't know if you see it. Park uphill up there. Already, okay. Already. Some duck life over there. Got something, too. Got something. He hit that thing good. Oh, he popped. Get in. Stay on that, baby. He pulling good, too. Oh, ready. What is it? Ooh. Oh, a catfish. Okay. Ready, too. It's a nice one, too. That's a nice one, baby. Already. Okay. Okay, let's get him off the hook, too. Okay, too. We got it right on the corner lip right there. Got him good too. You wasn't going nowhere. Come on, baby. Right on that corner. Already. Okay, let's get a nice little release off of him too. Let's see if we can get down there and get a little nice release on him. Not bad. I would keep him. I'll go ahead and let him go. We'll come back and catch him another time. Okay, so we got something. got it. We got it, baby. All of a sudden, my GoPro don't want to work. I just changed the battery. I don't know why this don't want to work. Okay. Already. It's a big old cart. Woo! Hey, hey. Hey, and that GoPro, I couldn't catch the video of me catching him. That thing big. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Wait. We're gonna put him back. We're gonna put him back. But hey, look at that. I'm not gonna say this is the biggest one I ever caught. But hey, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Okay, Toby. We're gonna do a release in a minute. Okay. There we go. That thing is beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and get a nice release on him. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. Get down in there with him. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we can get a nice little release on it. Okay, I got it back working. I got it back on. You know what I'm saying? I had to blow in it. You know what I'm saying? This GoPro, I don't know. I like the GoPro, like I say, but it giving me problems. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to show y'all the catch. You know what I'm saying? And a good release if I could with the GoPro, but this GoPro be tripping. But we gonna stick with it for a little bit longer. You know what I'm saying? We might have to get something else, baby, if it don't do right. But it's okay. Anyway, you saw it. But this is where we at. We still doing it. I had to break that hook. That hook got broke in his jaw. So in order to take it out, I had to break that hook. So I'm gonna have to re-hook it. But we got two of them, baby. We got two. We got the catfish, and we got that cord. Hey, stay tuned. We might catch something else. I only got maybe 30 minutes to hour left to fish. So let's see. Hopefully we can get something else. Be the first ones to know if I do. All right, peace. Okay, well, it's another cat. Another cat too. All right, let's get him up. We're gonna do this. Woo! He popped up right where we got him up. Okay, we got it. I'm talking to it. What's up, Tube? What's up, Tube? Hey. Okay, we're gonna release him in a minute. Okay, let's see if we can get a good release on him. Let's see what we got. Let's go. Duty calls. My wife called me up, told me to come home. I got things to do. So it's time to roll. Oh, baby. It was real. We gonna be back. So we know it's some life in there. We gonna be back. running on his own. Okay. Appreciate y'all for watching all the way through. You know what I'm saying? To me, it was a good day. It was a good one. We got 2 cats in that nice car. You know what I'm saying? It was a beautiful day. You know what I'm saying? We didn't have that much long to fish. You know, really I had like 2.5 hours. You know what I'm saying? So now I gotta go and take care of some other stuff. But like, subscribe, share.